So we're just going to go through the challenge question here, which is how many points on y equals sine of theta on the interval between negative 2 pi and 2 pi have an IROC of 0. So it's always good to draw a graph, quick graph of your sinusoidal function. And because we're going from negative 2 pi to 2 pi, we're just going to make it large like that. So basically it's going to look like this, up, down, oops, make this fit, up, down, over, up, down, and reach 2 pi. Oh, what happened there? And then the minimum is -1, the maximum is 1, and then you have your in-between, which is pi, 3 pi over 2, pi over 2, negative pi over 2, negative pi, negative 3 pi over 2. So there are my scale. We have our y value and we have our theta. So this is the sine of theta graph. So the question is asking us, when does the IROC, and IROC, if you recall, we're talking about is the tangent to this graph function. When is it equal to 0? A 0 tangent will look like a horizontal line. So it has to only touch that graph at one point in a horizontal line. And that happens here, here, and here, and here between negative 2 pi and 2 pi. So whenever we see our IROC, we're always talking about tangent, and we're talking about the slope of the tangent. And in this question, it's asking us when is it equal to 0? That's always at these points, which are when it's a horizontal line, and this happens what we call at our turning points. Okay, so IROC happens, it says how many. So the question is just how many. So if we count, we've got 1, we've got 2, we've got 3, and we've got 4 happening. So there are 4 turning points. So therefore, IROC is 0 at 4 points between the intervals when theta is between negative 2 pi and 2 pi. And that's the answer. All right, good luck, have fun.